Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In previous video we have understand what is hardness in water. So now let's understand how to remove this hardness in the water. To remove the hardness in the water, a system called a water softener is used. This system removes minerals from the water by a method called ion exchange. It acts as a magnetic pulley type logic, pulling the hard minerals toward it, exchange for the soft minerals and making the water soft. Let us first understand the basic. As we know magnetic properties, a magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. When two magnets are placed in the front of each other, opposite poles attract and the same poles repel each other. Same concept works in the ion exchange. Here the hard minerals in the water have positive charge and a mixture containing sodium ions has a negative charge. Since opposite charge attract, the negative charge of the mineral is attracted to the positive charge of the minerals. So when the water passes through this mixture, the hard ions get trapped inside the mixture and in exchange, the soft ions bond with the water and moves outside. The result is we get soft water at the output. Let us discuss in the deep now how a softener system works. First, in ion exchange process. In this process, water softener system uses a process called ion exchange to remove minerals like calcium and magnesium from the hard water. Inside the hard water softener tank, there are tiny resin beads coated with the sodium ions. Now, we need to flow hard water from this tiny resin beads coated with the sodium ions. When the hard water enters the water softener, it flows through the resin tank. As it passes over the resin beads, the calcium and magnesium ions in the water stick to the resin beads, while the sodium ions on the beads are released into the water. As a result of the ion exchange process, the water that exits the water softener is softened. It no longer contains the calcium and magnesium ion that causes the hardness. Now let's understand the third process is regeneration. In the regeneration, over time the resin beads become saturated with the calcium and magnesium ions and need to be cleaned. This is done through a process called regeneration. During the regeneration, the water softener system flushes the resin tank with the concentrated salt solution. The sodium ions in the brine replace the calcium and magnesium ion on the resin beads, and the calcium and magnesium ion are washed away along with the excess salt water. For continuous operation after regeneration, the water softener system is ready to soften water again. This process can continue infinite time, providing a constant supply of the softener water for your home or business or any industry.